Ready to go?
We have 2 thumbs up. Drivers, hands off the controllers. 3, 2, 1, go!
We are into Auton. 1 robot moving, 12682. And scoring. Red scoring as well, 19429 for the infrared team. 12682 keeping up a pace, as are the teammates, 14469. Both Howe and Golden Ratio lining up repeatedly on the blue goal, emptying it. And what escapes the first robot, the second robot scoops up as additional artifacts. Nicely done.
Drivers, pick up your controllers.
Blue Alliance with about a 30-point lead at the end of Auton. Let's see what the human pilots can make up that
3,
difference. Gonna be
2,
interesting, folks.
1.
Away we go. Infrared clearing the red gate, scooping up a couple of purple artifacts, coming in, and their paddle system shooting effectively. Will they go back for more? No, they got ground clearance and they shoot. Matrix picking up more artifacts. That's the orange robot near me here. And they line up, they shoot. Land one, miss one. What's the Blue Alliance doing in the meanwhile? 14469 shooting from afar. High arcing shots, landing them beautifully, folks. This is just so beautiful to watch, where the strategy and the design of the robot come together to create a good scoring mechanism. Blue Alliance keeping up a blistering pace compared to red. The design of the red robot here means that a little bit more thought goes into like the movements of the paddle, etc. As they classify, they have the advantage of a wide intake, but with a narrow intake, the blue robots are just scooping up artifacts, shooting them pretty much from where they want to on the field, both near and far. Blue Alliance has a 100-point plus lead over the Red Alliance at this point with about a minute to go. Are they going for an event high? More power to them. Let's see if that can happen here. We've had a couple of close matches on this field. It would be nice to see a decisive match. And 12682 again. Traveling, collecting more from the gate. 26215, Matrix coming in, take advantage of some of the artifacts that got by the Blue Alliance, and they shoot. The red classifier is looking pretty full. Infrared goes out, picks up for them. I just help with the field resetting as we enter endgame. Blue Alliance has almost doubled the score off the Red Alliance. Green, purple, purple is the pattern, don't forget. So we've got a couple of patterns in there for points for blue, as well as a 111 artifacts. 4, 5, 7.
Scores, match 88 going up on the board.
Over to field 2.
Scores, match 88 show a Blue Alliance victory. Let's score 390 to 199.